Welcome, in this video I will show you how to change display size on iPhone 17 Air. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone and search for Display and Brightness section. Once you find it, tap on it to open and then scroll down. Now as you can see here, you have the display zoom option, and if you tap on it, you can switch between default, view and the larger text. And to apply changes, click done. And the changes will be applied. And you can also change the text size by going right here and moving the slider to the right to increase your text size and to the left to decrease it. And you can also enable bold text by switching this toggle to the right. And that's all the way that you can adjust your display size on your iPhone 17. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.